Hello, I'm Doris Cisnero, and today I'm going to talk the investigation created by me and my college that is called Urban Greens Areas to Improve the Quality of Life in the San Juan de Miraflores district. This investigation is divided in four parts: introduction, results, analysis, and interpretation, and conclusions. Introduction. The Health Municipality Organization recommends 9 to 12 meter square of green areas per inhabitant. This comes to make an indicator that highlights the level of quality of life in a district or city. Lima, the capital, the fifth most city in the ranking of Latin America and Caribbean, has deficit of 66 millions of green areas, equivalent more than 5,000 soccer fields. In this regard, the district of San Juan de Miraflores, which is in efficiency ranking among the 15 districts, with the least green spaces in all of metropolitan Lima, that is below the recommended by the World Health Organization. This increased the need to establish various mechanisms to achieve the recommended figure. This decrease in green areas caused citizens' quality of life to be negatively affected by not having the environmental benefits provided by green spaces or similar public spaces and not meeting recommended international standards. Method and materials. The district of San Juan de Miraflores mentioned the following physical and ecological characteristics. The Figure 1 map of sectors of the San Juan de Miraflores district shows the delimitation of the study area and the geographical location. The Table 1 characteristics of the San Juan de Miraflores district shows the climatic characteristics and the vegetation cover of the study site. First one, the work area that you can see in the figure 2 on the map of location of work areas shows the location map of the different location points of the research development, as well as orientation of the green infrastructure. For the process of the design of green areas, we have the figure 3, and that shows the methodological process of the green infrastructure research. Results, as we can see in the figure 1, the design of proposal of eco-friendly spaces viewed toward the main pool with a predominant abundant street. Sinus trevifolius or coast moles are easily adapted to the capital desert climate due to their minimal water consumption. Location in some areas are 3 pills or bowls to store irrigation of rainwater. And the fourth figure, salt mill and work system combination of benches, tables, and planters offer an innovative alternative. The figure 5, innovative urban furniture response to adapt to the design in the study area, which we can see in the front part and in the back part. And the right figure of the top conserved 3 planters located in the park sectors. For the figure 3, the design of children recreation spaces. Front view of the urban garden, we can see the cultivation of vegetables, fruits, legumes, aromatic plants, or medical herbs, amongst other varieties, on a domestic scale. A sport area dedicated to benefits for the practice of regular space and moderate physical activity. Playground for the children also. In the table 2, trees and features. For the choice of the 3 in the table 2, the type of soil present the Panamericana Sur sector in San Juan de Miraflores was taken into account. It is a superficial layer of granular soil formed by coarse particles and such as sands or gravels, fine and clayly. The table 2 also shows the characteristics of the vegetation that have been selected according to their natural and adapting of the threat. For the conclusions, the proposal for the design of green areas aims to improve the population living conditions and respond to the urgent need to raise the environmental quality of San Juan de Miraflores district, Panamericana Sur sector. In this sense, the proposal is considered viable, designed to meet those specific needs based on the area diagnostics. This work is a first approximation to the preferred forest public that, in general, seeks through green areas to improve their quality of life, since the variability of green spaces in the study area is below the recommended by the OMS. This proposal for the design of areas greens prioritize space within the urban infrastructure that allows us to advance with a vision of the future and central aids to the San Juan de Miraflores district sustainability in Panamericana Sur sector. The limitations of the study provide the opportunity to carry out new mapping of unprofitable public properties belonging to the state, as well as recover degraded areas, convert into informal garbage dumps, to make way for green plants in the different sector of San Juan de Miraflores, which will allow significantly increase the size of public green spaces per inhabitant. This is necessary to find and give space to green places that help the sustainability of the district and therefore improve the quality of life. Thank you for listening.